If you love easy and delicious dishes, this one is for you. This stretchy cheese is mouth-watering. I'm Umud and I will bake potato cheese pancakes for you. Let's get rolling. Grab 4 potatoes and wash them before peeling. While I peel these potatoes, let me talk about why they are amazing. Potatoes are packed with vitamin C, more potassium than a banana, and are a great source of fiber. Plus, they are low in calories, fat-free, and naturally gluten-free. Whether you mash, bake, or roast them, potatoes are nutritious, versatile, and absolutely delicious. Next, let's cut the potatoes into thick chunks, so we will save from the boiling time a bit. Whole potatoes can take up to 30 minutes, while cut potatoes will take approximately 15 minutes to be boiled. Grab a pot, put the potatoes in it, then fill it with water. Potatoes will be ready in 20 minutes if you start boiling with water in room temperature. If you start to boil with hot water, it will take around 15 minutes. Boil at medium heat, and keep an eye on the pot so the water doesn't splash around. Check the potatoes with help of a fork. Take them from boiling when they are soft. Now it's time to mash the potatoes. Grab a bowl and mash the potatoes. If you don't have a potato masher, you can use a large spoon as well. Add 2 spoons of olive oil. Add half a glass of wheat flour. Add half a spoon of salt. Gently mix the potato and the flour. Knead the dough for a couple of minutes until it gets to a homogeneous consistency. We will make 8 pancakes from this dough. Next, spread some flour on a flat and clean surface. Grab 100 grams of dough and gently knead it until it takes a circle shape. Fill a handful of mozzarella cheese in the center and gently cover it with the dough. Roll it in your hand until it takes a flat ball shape. Repeat this process for the remaining dough. You can enlarge or reduce the size of the pancakes to your liking. Grab an oven tray, cover it with baking paper, and thinly oil it with cooking oil. Place the pancake doughs on the tray. Oil pancakes surface with cooking oil. Sprinkle some sesame seeds over dough, which is optional for your liking. Place the tray in an air fryer or an oven. Cook the pancakes for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. They will be ready when the top layer will get a golden brown color. Can somebody please tell me how a person can resist this beauty? I'm over here baking pancakes, and you can bake that subscribe button. Go ahead, give it a click, and help this humble channel grow. What do you think of this recipe? Do you like it? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'll see you next time.